Welcome to New Car Toyota Parts, where we ship genuine OEM Toyota parts straight from our dealership to your door. Today we're looking at the all-weather floor mats designed specifically for the 2008 to 2012 Scion XB. These heavy-duty mats create a protective barrier between your shoes and your carpet, catching everything from rain and snow to coffee spills and muddy boots. These floor mats are designed to fit XB models from 2008 through 2012, including popular trims like the Base and Release Series editions. These all-weather floor mats are custom molded to fit your XB's floor contours precisely, channeling water, mud, and debris away from your carpet. They protect your interior from the daily abuse that destroys resale value faster than almost anything else. Genuine Toyota mats use the exact mounting points and materials engineered for your Scion, so they stay put and last the life of your vehicle. Head over to our website to browse our complete catalog of genuine OEM Toyota parts. Every part comes backed by warranty, our fitment guarantee, and fast shipping to get you back on the road. Not sure if this part fits your vehicle? Give us a call with your VIN ready and we'll confirm you're getting exactly the right part. You can find your VIN on your dashboard near the windshield, on the driver's side door jamb, or on your registration card. It's 17 digits that identify your exact vehicle. Shop with New Car Toyota Parts for genuine parts every time. Don't settle for aftermarket when you can have the real thing.